Okay, so today we will check LeetCode number 48, rotate image. Ideally it is a rotate a matrix by 90 degree. This is also what it goes by, and if you see the question, it has been given that there is a n into n matrix and we have to rotate it by 90 degree. So actually when we rotate it, it should this one should look something like this. And it is, I will not say very much intuitive. It has some rules, simply like two rules and some mathematics. So I will show, maybe what I will do here is I will copy this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So we have something like, sorry, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. And I will not go and check what actually we need, but I will directly see. So what I will do here is, so two steps I mentioned, right? So first thing I will do is a transpose. So what actually is a transpose? Transpose is basically we convert rows into columns and column into rows. So it will become, so this is one row, right? Okay, sorry, this is one row. So it will become 1 2 3. Similarly this will become 4 5 6 and 7 8 9, right? So this is how transpose is done. So now once the transpose is done, so the second step is to reverse. So this is T, and then when we reverse it, okay, let me do this. When we reverse it, so reverse every row. So it will become 7 4 1 8 5 2 and 9 6 3. Okay, so this is what we get. Now let me check. 7 4 1 8 5 2 9 6 3. So this was exactly what we wanted, right? So now we know there are two steps. We have to do transpose and then we have to do reverse. So reverse is simple, right? We know we take two pointers and we start reversing. We take P1 and P2, P2, and we keep reversing and progressing it. So what about transpose, right? So what we can do here is, if you see, this is two transpose like this. Just observe this one and this one. So this 159, this remains same, right? This remains same, and what changes is this position. So 4 2 becomes 2 4, right? So similarly 7 3 becomes 3 7, and 8 6 becomes 6 8. So what we will do here is we will just iterate either in this portion or in this portion, right? So ideally if you see this this guy, okay, so if I mark 0 1 2, okay, let me make it a fresh one. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So this is 0 1 2, these are indices. Again 0 1 2. So it became for us 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, right? So and let me, we don't want to look at this guys initially, right? So let me just hide it. So ideally this has the indice 1 0. So 4 has indice 1 0, which has become here 0 1, right? Similarly next we have 7 0, which has indices 2 0, which you will see here it has become 0 2, right? So what actually is happening here is we can see that I comma j becomes j comma I. Until when do we have to do? So we will start from I equal to 0. Then you can see we have to go till last, but we can ignore the last, right? Because last one is a part of diagonal and it remains the same. So what we can do here is I should go from 0 to n minus 1 and j, right? So j is going till last. So if I am here, j will go till here. If I am here also, j will go till here. So there will be a j loop that will go till from 0 to this is actually n minus 2 if we consider equals, and this is 0 to n minus 1, right? And simply we have to reverse the roles. So let's move into the code. If it is not clear, it will become clear right now. So first thing what we want to do is we want to transpose. So we'll say okay, for let I equal to 0, I is less than n minus 1. I don't want to go to the last row, and then I plus plus. Next we have for let j equal to, so where is j starting? So ideally if you see, if you are in this row, j start from this. So if I is 1, j start from 2. If I is 0, j start from 1, right? So that means j always start from I plus 1, and j will go, j is less than n, j plus plus. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to swap, right? So we have to swap I and j. So now let me write the swap function. So we'll say const, I'll make a arrow function swap I comma j. You can do it in place also, but yeah, this looks good. And now we want to swap it, right? So we'll say let's const temp equal to matrix of I comma I and matrix of ij, and then we'll say matrix of I comma j will be matrix of j comma I. So we have swapped, and then matrix of j I will be temp, right? So in this way, this will swap the values, and we are done with the whole matrix, right? We have gone till n minus 1, and for every item we have gone and we have swapped it. So once the transpose is done, what we need to do is we need to reverse it, right? We need to reverse it. So we'll say okay, do one thing, for each row. See, here we are going till n because we are going each row, right? We are done swapping. For each row, reverse that particular row. Okay, reverse that particular row. So now we have to write the reverse function here also. So we'll say similarly const reverse equal to I, and then we'll say okay, let's have two pointers. Let pointer 1 will start from 0, and let pointer 2 starts from n minus 1. I think we have not mentioned n, so let's say const n equal to matrix dot length. As it is a square matrix, it doesn't make sense to make it like 0 or like matrix of 0 length, because it is same. And then okay, we were here. So we'll say while p1 is less than p2, while p1 is less than p2, what we need to do here is we will again swap the values, right, from p1 to p2. So const temp equal to matrix, we are in the ith matrix, and we'll take the p1, then we'll say matrix of I of p1 equal to matrix of I of p2, and then matrix of I of p2 equal to temp. So in this way we can reverse one row, and we have this loop here, so it will go and reverse every row. So we have done with transpose, we are done with reverse. Now we can simply return the matrix. Okay, let me just let's see. Okay, so we have got a time limit exceeded. The reason being here is we have not changed the pointers, so p1 will increase and then p2 will decrease. So this is accepted. Now let's submit this. Yeah, so we have got this right.